Let's take a closer look at purchase orders in the Core4 CRM. The POs tab will look like this. This tab allows you to create, track, and manage purchase orders, related documents, and received item history. Let's begin by creating a new PO. Select the New Record button in the Status toolbar. To add a vendor, click into the field and begin typing a name. A contact search window will open. The vendor's address will be populated here. Now let's add a customer. The customer's shipping address will populate here. Next, let's add a title. The Date Created field contains a date and timestamp of when the PO was first created. The Request By field allows you to specify who requested the PO. Approval status indicates whether the PO needs approval, has been approved, or disapproved. Once you select an approved or disapproved status, the approval date and approval by fields will be filled in automatically. Here you may adjust the status of the PO to reflect open or closed. Specify whether to adjust item inventory upon receipt here. We can enter a ship date and a ship via method. Ship via methods are set up in the Core Preferences area. Let's enter a tracking number here. This globe will open the FedEx web page and automatically enter the tracking number to track the shipment status. Now let's enter some new line items. Select the New Line Item button. You may edit the description if needed. I'll add the quantity. Quantity received shows the number of items received for this line. We will look at how to receive items in just a moment. This checkbox indicates if each line item is taxable or not. Select the red X button if you need to delete an item. To navigate to a specific item record, select this blue arrow. Below is where we can specify the tax rate to apply to the PO. These taxes are set up in the Core Preferences. Here we have the subtotal, tax, and total for the PO. These are calculated based off of the line item amounts and if the items are taxed. Here you may add optional notes. To add an attachment to the PO, select this New Attachment button. I'll enter a brief description here. Select Insert to add a file. Any attachment added to the PO will create a corresponding record in the Documents tab. You also have options to open or export the attachment with these buttons. Select the red X button to delete an attachment from the PO. To navigate to the Attachments record in the Documents tab, select this blue arrow. The PO will be automatically linked to the document. To the left we have our action items. Select this button to duplicate the PO. All relevant information will be carried over into the new record. We can also void a PO by selecting this button. All quantities and amounts will be set to 0, and the status will be set to void. Let's navigate back to the original PO. To send this PO as an email, select this button. A new email will be generated with a PDF version of the PO attached. Select this button to preview the PDF attachment. After items have been ordered and received, select this button to enter the number of received items. Here we can see the vendor as well as the item ordered. We have the PO number, the quantity ordered, and here we can specify the quantity received today. You may edit the total quantity received if needed. It will automatically calculate after a number is entered into the Quantity Received Today field. Then select Save and Close. If you have received all items ordered, then you'll get a pop-up stating that the PO has been fully received. You'll be prompted if you want to close the PO. I'll select Yes. The PO will be stamped with Received, and the status will be updated to Closed. If we go to the Receipts tab, we can view all receipts for this PO. If you want to view a specific receipt, select the blue arrow. The More Info tab also contains the PO title and number. The Created and Modified by Date and Timestamps track when the PO was created and by who. This is just a brief overview of the many features and possibilities of the Core4. For more information on what the Core4 can do for you, please visit core4crm.com, review the videos and documentation, and try a demo. Please contact us via email, phone, or browser forum if you have any additional questions. We look forward to hearing from you and automating your business to operate more efficiently.